Ever created a YouTube video you were super proud of, only to see the view count stay low? It happens to the best of us. Today, I'm sharing the story of a video that went from gathering dust in the algorithm to becoming a total success, all thanks to a little revamp. The video was something that we poured a lot of effort into, but the results were crickets. I knew the content itself was solid, so I decided to give it another chance. First, I crafted a new title, something way more catchy and captivating than the original. Then, I redesigned a killer thumbnail. Slowly but surely, the video starts to come alive. The new title and thumbnail were like magnet, drawing viewers in. The view count started climbing, and soon the video was generating real buzz. This experiment taught me a powerful lesson. Sometimes all it takes is fresh presentation to turn things around. Don't underestimate the power of great title and thumbnail. So if you ever have a YouTube video lost in the YouTube algorithm, don't give up. Rethink the presentation, spread the word a little more, and watch your creation flourish. Now get out there and create awesome content. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.